Hello everyone, I am taking online lectures from Pride Educare. It is a very good initiative undertaken by Viral sir. It is helping me a lot to use my lockdown time in a very effective manner rather than wasting it, and it would also contribute a lot to make me future ready. I have maintained this book to note down things which helps me to revise it, the concepts which are taught, and all the faculties are teaching things from the scratch and also in detail. Initially, I thought it would be difficult to understand things in online lectures, but it was just other way around. The things are very easy to understand and are taught in a very good manner. So guys, don't waste your time. Use your time effectively in lockdown, and please do join online lectures and take benefit of it as much as you can. Thank you.